good morning, all of you. This morning is peaceful, memorable morning for all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My English Journey. Today I am going to show my beautiful garden. So please watch till the end. Few days ago, this tree fell because of heavy rain. It was really unexpected, and here is a water flower. I don't know its name, so please comment. Please help me by commenting box below. It is coleus plant. My sister and I planted it together, and we are really happy to see it below. This is a if you enjoy this kind of garden videos, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe more such videos. Thank you for watching.